Hello guys, this is Vishnuvardhan. Now I am going to do a video on top 10 fastest trains of Indian Railways. You can see the going train in front of us is the Hamsafar Express. It is just one of the beautiful train of our Indian Railways. So I have kept this video at the starting. Let's go into the top 10 trains of fastest trains of Indian Railways, and here comes the 10th one. Bandra Garib Rath Express, which has a top speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 81.96 km per hour, and it goes from Bandra terminus in Maharashtra to New Delhi, and its link is Tughlakabad WAP 7. It has ICF rakes, which are made by Integral Coach Factory, which are old. And another 10th one is Seldon New Delhi Rajdhani, means these have almost same average speeds, so they have kept in 10th one. And here Seldon Rajdhani has Howrah WAP 7 with it, with modern LHB coaches with an average speed of 82.4 km per hour. And still number 10 is which has a top speed of 120 km per hour, Allahabad New Delhi Duronto, which has Ghaziabad WAP 5 as its link, and the top speed of 120, which is comparatively less than Rajdhani, but it has almost equal average speed. With ICF rakes, Duronto. And the next one, 9th one, is Howrah New Delhi Duronto. It also has top speed of 120 km per hour and its average is 71, but due to high priority it is given at the place of 9th one. It gets a high priority in Howrah New Delhi route, which has Ghaziabad WAP 7 as its link, which is the strongest passenger locomotive of our Indian Railways. It has ICF rakes, so it is restricted to 120 km per hour. And the next one is Howrah New Delhi Rajdhani via Gaya. It goes via Patna also, but it has less average in that route, so via Gaya is fastest here. It has an average speed of 86 km per hour and the top speed of 130 km per hour. It has modern LHB coaches, so it can go with the speeds of 130 km per hour easily. And the 7th one is Kanpur New Delhi Kanpur Shatabdi Express with a top speed of 130. It also has Ghaziabad WAP 7 as its off link, and its top speed is 130 km per hour with a beautiful Shatabdi livery, blue and grey livery of Shatabdi, and LHB, which can go up to speeds of 160. It is capable, the rakes, but it is restricted to 130 due to some speed restrictions. And next is Silda Duronto. It has top speed of 130. Silda, which is located in West Bengal and Delhi, It is very long train, long traveling, and it has an average speed of 87 kmph and a top speed of 130 km per hour, which is fastest in all Duronto expresses all over the India. And the fifth one is Mumbai New Delhi Rajdhani, which has a top speed of 140, recently upgraded, and the average speed is 89 km per hour. It has an Ghaziabad VAP 7, but recently they have upgraded into push pull mode. There will be front VAP 7 and rear VAP 7. It's from Mumbai to New Delhi. Recently it has completed 48 years of its service. And the fourth one is Bandra Hazrat Nizamuddin Bandra Rajdhani Special. It has an average speed of 90 km per hour, and there are two VAP 5s. One is working and other is dead VAP 5, which it also has 130 km per hour as a top speed. During some occasional times they released this train. And the third one is New Delhi Bhopal New Delhi Shatabdi Express, which has a top speed of 150 km per hour. Its frequent locomotive is Ghaziabad VAP 5. Average is 92 km per hour. It goes from Bhopal Habibganj station to New Delhi station. From New Delhi it departs morning and again reaches New Delhi by evening. And the second one is New Delhi Jhansi Hazrat Nizamuddin Jhansi Hazrat Nizamuddin Ghatiman Express with top speed of 160 km per hour and average speed of 97 kmph. And it has Ghaziabad VAP 5 as its frequent link, and can go up to speeds of 160. And the coaches are capable of going up to 180, but they are restricted because of the tracks and the weather conditions. And the number one is train 18, which has reached 180 km per hour in trial, but due to speed restrictions it is restricted to 160. But up to Allahabad, it goes from New Delhi to Varanasi, its average speed is 104. Up to Allahabad it is restricted to 130 km per hour, and up to Kanpur it can go up to speeds of 160. It is also called semi-high speed train. It has 4 multiple traction engines and 16 coaches. It is a train set. In future, Indian Railways will bring 44 train sets like this. First engineless train of India. It is Vande Bharat Express from New Delhi to Varanasi, and the second is Katra New Delhi Vande Bharat Express. It has less average because, and it went up to 180 km per hour. It has a good acceleration than all in Indian trains due to multiple engines. First engineless train 18. And the second Vande Bharat is up to Delhi to Katra. In that route there are so many gradients and mountains. Because of that, the speed is restricted only up to 110. So the Vande Bharat has less average speed in that route. There are totally two train sets in Indian Railways. One is New Delhi Varanasi Vande Bharat and second is Katra Vande Bharat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.